Okay, so there are a really lot of videos telling you how to remove the globe in your car. Unfortunately, they all skip over the hard part, removing the damn plug. The plug locks to the pins on the back of the globe, and you need to push just under the edge of the plug on each side to push in the two release tabs. Then gently remove the plug. Attempting to force it can and will break the metal clip underneath holding the globe in place. So I'm going to overdo this a little bit just because they're so hard to find. The plugs are the tabs are located here, and they're just little plastic points that you need to push in that release the pins from in the holes of the pins on the back of the globe. So again, overdoing it, when you get it, you can stop watching, I guess. But see the little pointed tab, one on this side where the green wire is, and one on the opposite side to the green wire. Yeah, so just looking at it when it's on the car. The rest of this video is a bunch of images, just sort of showing you it from different angles so that maybe you can find it if you're having trouble. This is me removing it from the side where the air cleaner is, and all I did is take the lid off the air cleaner, take the paper filter out, and I was able to get my hand in and get it off without any problem. Again, just showing you those little tabs, just little sprung plastic tabs. There's nothing special. There's nothing on that one flat side that looks like it's got a button at the top. It's not a button, it's just molding. So you're looking for these two little pointy tabs, and they're well below the top edge of the plug, which is probably what makes them a bit hard to find.